We'll try to solve this problem. Linear equation with one variable. So when you have one variable, you can see that only x is available here. The equation given is 4x minus 7 into 2 minus x equals 3x plus 2. And solving this is like you first break this bracket, bring it inside. So it's going to be 4x minus 14x plus 7x is equal to 3x plus 2. And when you solve this, like you have this here as 4x plus 7x is 11x. And then you bring this 14 to the other side, take this x this side. So this 11x minus 3x will become 8x. When you bring this 14 to the other side, already 2 is here. So 2 plus 14 is 16. Therefore, x is equal to 2. That's a simple way of solving this. Then you have equations with two. You are given two equations, x plus y equal to 7 and 3x minus 2y equal to 11. So how to solve this one? So what you have to do here is we have different methods. So one of the method which you're going to use here is x plus y equal to 7. So what you can do is you can just try to take any one of the variable. Maybe you can take y, which is equal to 7 minus x, bringing the x to the other side. And this y value you can substitute in the second equation. That's what is done here. 3x minus, you have this 2. And instead of y, I'm going to put this as 7 minus x is equal to 11. Therefore, 3x minus 14. That is 2 when you bring it inside plus 2x equal to 11. Therefore, from that you can see that this is 5x equal to this 14 comes to the other side. That becomes 25 or x is equal to 5. And now when you get this x equal to 5, again go back to any one of this equation, and this is simpler one. So we can take this equation, substitute this value of x in this equation. So in the first equation, when you go, you substitute x is equal to 5. And then you can see 5 plus y equal to 7, therefore y equal to 2. So the answer is x equal to 5 and y equal to 2. I think with this we are completing this.